Hello everybody, welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Thursday, April 6, 2023. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're tuning us for your TF update. You'll catch your headlines later this afternoon with my friend Nick, part of our new Talking Fitchburg team. He's doing a great job this week as we take turns each day. I hope you're enjoying his updates. Meanwhile, let's get you the updates here on this Thursday, and we start with some fun activities coming up. DIY paper beads. What? Let's check it out. It's at the Fitchburg Public Library, and happy day. Come to the library and make colorful paper beads that can be used to create bracelets and necklaces. I guess 6 to 7 p.m. if you're curious, bring the kiddos out. That's located at the Fitchburg Public Library, 5530 Lacey Road, right next to City Hall here. Spring STEM, Verona Area School District and Oregon School District Day Off School of Fun, ages 8 to 12 for this tomorrow, 9 a.m. to noon, April 7th. The cost is $40. If there is some space, you can sign up still, where your kids will be able to learn about STEM while creating projects like traveling rainbows, egg capsules, and much more. We will also be experimenting with science, technology, engineer, math, while making some exciting projects. You have to sign up through the Recreation Department's website. That's 9 a.m. to noon tomorrow at the Prairie View Room here at Fitchburg Community Center. Storytime Illustrators will be at the Fitchburg Public Library on Tuesday, April 11th. We'll read the book Brainfish by Lois Arlart. Hillard, I think is the name there, and make art inspired by the book. This is ages 5 to 12 from 4 to 5 p.m. at the Fitchburg Public Library on April 11th. Sounds like a lot of fun. Second Harvest Free Mobile Food Pantry returns on April 13th. It's a Thursday. The Second Harvest Mobile Food Pantry stops at the Southdale Park on the second and fourth Thursday of every month. No restrictions. Everyone in need is welcome, no matter where you live. No ID or proof of income is needed. Guests may walk up or drive through. Any changes to the days, times, or locations for the mobiles are sent out by text. So to receive those text alerts, you need to text Food Dane, one word, to 866-989-3123. Food Dane is what you text, all one word, 866-989-3123. You text that to that number, you'll get the updates. Meanwhile, they will be on April 13th from 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. They'll be at the Southdale Park location, 200 Deer Valley Road here in the city of Fitchburg. Again, no cost, no ID needed for that event. Waterway Cleanups are scheduled here in a couple of weeks, April 15th, in fact. It's from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., and they'll be at the following locations. At Swan Creek, they'll be meeting at 9 a.m. at the Nannaberry Park Shelter. From the Duns Marsh Park at 9 a.m., you're meeting at Apache Pond. At Corey Hill and Fahey Fields at 9 a.m., you're going to meet at the Corey Hill Park Shelter. And then Yarmouth Greenway at 9 a.m., you'll be meeting at McKee Road and Yarmouth Greenway Drive. And they will provide supplies if you are interested in helping out. So if you don't have gloves, vests, or anything that you think you need, we'll have it for you. And we look forward to having everybody help out. If you're curious to learn more about this, I talked with Ben from our Public Works Department last week about this, and great stuff. So you can learn more about the cleanup and why it's important to do the cleanup each and every year. Finally, turning our attentions to the benefits of the flu vaccination. Got some statistics coming in here on how successful it was in 2021 through 2022. Despite the relatively low flu activity during the 21-22 season, flu vaccination helped reduce flu-related illnesses, medical visits, hospitalization, and death. So important. Getting your yearly vaccine is the best way to protect yourself against the flu and potential serious complications. And there were 1.8 million flu cases reported in the country, and 1 million flu medical visits. Flu hospitalizations were at 22,000, and 1,000 flu deaths unfortunately occurred. That's equivalent to 2 747 Boeing airplanes, if you're curious how many people that is. Either way, check the CDC for more, and have a great day, everyone.